What is a switchback? Well, it's an LED, headlight, or other lighting system that has a dual-function light within the same housing, lens, or bulb assembly. In the automotive world, switchback lights and LEDs usually have a white running light function and an amber turn signal function. In general, the white running light function is run off the truck's parking light wiring and is not a true daytime running light, which runs all the time. There's various wiring and design methods involved, but a switchback LED or headlight will show its white function the majority of the time, but then switch off the white when the turn signals are selected and only show the amber until the turn signals are turned off. Switchback LED turn signal bulbs will almost always drop right into place of the stock turn signals, but switchback headlights generally need to be spliced into the turn signal wiring to function. A quick splice or T-tap is usually enough to get the job done, and for your efforts you'll get one of the most unique looks around. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for all of our latest video content, and stalk us on Facebook and Instagram. Also check us out online at stage3motorsports.com.